Hey there, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hungry Bear, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about some tips for starting a workout routine. Whether you're new to exercise or just getting back into it after a break, these tips will help you get started on the right foot. So, let's get started. Tip number 1. Set a goal. The first tip for starting a workout routine is to set a goal. This can be anything from wanting to lose weight or gain muscle, to simply wanting to improve your overall health and fitness. By setting a goal, you'll have something to work towards, which can help keep you motivated and focused. Tip number 2. Start small. The next tip is to start small. It can be tempting to dive headfirst into a rigorous workout routine, but this can often lead to burnout or injury. Instead, start with something manageable and build up from there. For example, you might start by going for a short walk or doing a few bodyweight exercises each day, and gradually increase the intensity and duration over time. Tip number 3. Find something you enjoy. Another important tip is to find something you enjoy. If you hate running, then forcing yourself to go for a run every day is only going to make you miserable. Instead, try out different types of exercise until you find something that you genuinely enjoy. This could be anything from swimming to yoga to weightlifting. Tip number 4. Create a schedule. Creating a schedule is another key tip for starting a workout routine. By setting aside dedicated time for exercise each day or week, you'll be more likely to stick with it. You might want to use a planner or app to help you stay organized and accountable. Tip number 5. Don't compare yourself to others. Finally, it's important to remember not to compare yourself to others. Everyone's fitness journey is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. Instead, focus on your own progress and celebrate each small victory along the way. And there you have it. 5 tips for starting a workout routine. Remember, getting started is often the hardest part, but by setting goals, starting small, finding something you enjoy, creating a schedule, and avoiding comparison, you can set yourself up for success. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fitness tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.